Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
गोंयांत 2011 गोवा लोकायुक्त कायदो लागू करून सरकारी पावण्यावेल्या भ्रष्टाचारा आड कागाळी घेवपाची आनी सुनावणेची व्यवस्था केल्ली. सध्याचो लोकायुक्त जस्टीस PK मिश्राचो कार्यकाळ 17 सप्टेंबराक सोंपता. सरकारान नव्या लोकायुक्ताचे नेमणुके विशीं अजून कसलीच हालचाल केल्ली ना. सरकार लोकायुक्ताचे पद रिते सोडून भ्रष्टाचाराक रान मोकळें दवरूंक सोदता म्हूण आरोप करीत एक्टिव्हिस्ट आयरिश हायकोर्टात पावलो.
The Goa Lokayukta is a very vital institution in view of the rampant corruption and maladministration that Goa is witnessing. The term of the current Lokayukta, Justice PK Mishra, ends on September the 17th, which means after that the post of the Lokayukta will be vacant. The government has not initiated the process of finding a new Lokayukta to succeed Justice Mishra. That is the reason I have sought the intervention of the Honorable High Court, because the whole process of finding and selecting and appointing the new Lokayukta would take some time. So it was expected that the government had started the process well in advance. But since the government has done nothing about it, I have sought the intervention of the Honorable High Court. The matter was heard by the Honorable High Court yesterday, and now the Honorable High Court has fixed the matter on September the 2nd and has sought a reply from the state of Goa as to the time frame, as to how long they would take to appoint the new Lokayukta. I have explained to the Honorable High Court that this is a very vital institution and the post of the Lokayukta cannot remain vacant.
2 सप्टेंबराक हायकोर्टान सुनावणी दवरल्या. नवो लोकायुक्त नेमपा विशीं वेळेचे मर्यादेचेर सरकारान जाप दिवची म्हूण कोर्टान नोटीस काडल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.